noises that you don't normally hear in a diesel truck. It's just a completely different driving experience.
Yeah, there's sort of stress relieving, I think, in the way that there's not all of the noise pollution around you. Yeah, it's just a very comfortable place to be.
For me, being used to diesels, it was just something totally different. The quietness of the vehicle, the way it accelerated, it's just instant power. It's totally different from driving a diesel.
Je was geladen met 35 ton, maar je voelde dat niet. Je was gewoon als bij een personenwagen aan het rijden. Je hebt niet het gevoel dat je daar een oplegger hebt van 30 ton achter je.
Meine Motivation, mich mit emissionsfreien Fahrzeugen zu beschäftigen, ist ganz klar unsere Natur. Wir müssen etwas tun. Ich finde es eine gute Sache. Es gibt noch andere gute Sachen, aber dies ist mal ein Anfang, sicher.
Yo creo que estamos todos alineados y más pronto que tarde será cuestión de tiempo donde iremos haciendo una penetración de este producto importantísimo porque lo necesitamos.
Our main mission and reason to go towards sustainability is really the trucking industry is pointed out and seen on the road every day. So we need to show the example to match public expectation and also customer expectation.
Some of my drivers will be very excited about driving electric trucks. I think some drivers will not want to get on board. I think at the minute it's just an idea in their heads. But I think if they were actually given the product to drive and try it hands-on, it would change their minds completely.